How do you start your day? Open the door, turn on the light, get ready to welcome the world into your workplace. If a business is to thrive, it should accommodate everyone. Primary is your new partner, helping you to look after your customers in just the right way. What does your business need? Our wide range of options can satisfy your specific requirements. Primary can send air to reach every corner. You can count on Primary to perform sustainably, with no effort required. Primary is designed to make your visitors feel just the right temperature. Once they feel at ease, you can take care of everything else. Duct units are discreet and slim to fit into narrow spaces and can easily adapt to the layout of your room. The ducted unit's robust design prevents leaks, so you don't have to worry about maintenance. The atmosphere will be as welcoming as you want it to be. Primary gives you control over your air from day one. No matter what the weather is like outdoors, the temperature indoors will be up to you. A special coating ensures efficient operation for extended periods. Reliable self-diagnosis means the unit can be easily maintained. No matter the hour of the day, Primary is your quiet partner. You can focus on what you do best. At the close of your working day, what could be better than breathing in comfortable, well-conditioned air? Presenting a truly flexible air conditioning solution. The floor-ceiling convertible unit can be placed high or low, whichever is most appropriate. Primary provides comfort in your workspace for you, today, tomorrow, and into the future.